everyone, welcome back to my channel Savvy Links. In the previous video we have learned about distance, and in this video we are going to learn about displacement. So after learning about displacement, you'll be able to distinguish distance and displacement, and you'll be able to find each of those. So before we get into today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you'll get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Now let's get started. So now let us learn about displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final points. Now let's take an example. A body is moving from point A to point B, covering a distance of 3 meters, and from point B to C, it covers a distance of 4 meters. Now the shortest distance between A and C is this line. So now we can tell that the displacement of A to A, B and C is A to C. This line is the displacement. Now you can see that it's like a right angle triangle, so we'll find the hypotenuse to find the value of displacement. So hypotenuse, which is AC square, is equal to BC square plus AB square, which is nothing but 3 square plus 4 square, 3 square 9 plus 16, which is equal to 25. Now since AC is equal to root 25, AC is equal to 5 meters. So this is our displacement, and the same as distance, SI unit of displacement is meter. Now displacement does not depend on the path. Now this is because distance used to depend on the path and it used to increase, but displacement, you can see that it only depends on the final and initial points. It only needs the final and initial points. No matter what distance, what path you cover, the final and the initial point is what matters. And the displacement is always a straight line, because the straight line is the shortest path between 2 points. Now, displacement is positive as well as negative. Now, it can be positive. In this case, it is positive. When will it be negative? In this case, like from A body is moving to B. Now, you can take like from A, the right side from A, you can take it as being positive. And since A to B is like, we'll take 3 meters. Now the body from B is going back to A and it's going beyond A in this way, in the backward direction, and reaches at point C. Now this A to C, we can consider it as a negative direction. So we'll take 1 meter distance it covers from A to C. That means it moved in a negative direction. From here it's positive, from here it's negative. So this time it will become, the displacement will be minus 1 meter. And you will always denote displacement with a small s, and above it there will be a arrow mark. Now displacement is equal, lesser and greater than 0. Now it's equal to 0 when we'll take like this. So I am here and I am traveling in a circle and reaching back to the same point. Now you can see that my starting point and my final point is in the same place. That means the shortest distance between my initial final point is 0, because there is no, like see, if you are from here to B, then there will be some distance, but if it is in the same point, the initial and the final, that means it's 0. That time displacement will be 0. And you know that displacement in positive means it's greater than 0, and if it's negative means it's less than 0. Now displacement is a vector quantity. In the previous video we learned that distance is a scalar quantity. Now what is vector quantity? It's kind of similar to scalar quantity. It just has a little bit of touch. Which is, see, you can take vector quantity, you can express it as magnitude plus direction. Now magnitude, we already know it as numerical value into unit. With that, we also need to add direction. Now we'll take like magnitude. Here we found magnitude is 5 meters. Now along with that, it traveled in the southeast direction. So we'll put a bracket and we'll mention towards southeast. And this is our vector quantity. Every time we have to denote vector quantities like this, but mostly usually we don't consider the direction, but it is very important to add the direction because it only determines a vector quantity. So that's it for the displacement, and I hope you understood displacement, and I think you'll be able to also differentiate distance and displacement, and you'll be able to understand a lot more. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Savionix. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye friends.